So I've done this the other way round. What happened while I was videoing, the battery went flat. But I've taken this wheel once out before, but let me go over it. So make sure your rear lever, three things. Try not to pull your rear lever in because that will bring the pads in. Make sure your gears are on 8. And inspect your belt as well. Make sure it's the right tension. There's no cuts or anything like that. So here we go. So if you've broken down by the side of the road, you need a 15mm spanner. I mean, ideally a ring spanner gives you a lot more like ability to tighten it and loosen it. So the first thing to do, I'll tighten these back up. So this is tightening them back up. Alright. So the first thing is to undo the gear lever, the gear change. So the way I'm going to do that is there's a little locating lip there and the nut fits in there. So I'm going to swing it round like this, unclip it, and it just popped out there. So that's one-handed. I'm then going to pull it forward, and you see it will come out of the locating. You can see there as well, it's popped out at the front. Put that back in. So now we go back to pretending we're on the side. So remember the disc brake pads, make sure you don't pull them in. So you would undo the wheel nuts. This goes down half, one. So I undo it. So there's a little bit of a gap. See there? Undo it on this side. Lifting it up. And again, a little bit of a gap. And that's it. Just lift that belt there. There we go. So the wheel is out now. You could repair the puncture, and the bike seems quite happy on the stand there. So just try to remember those three things when you do it. Is the back lever, make sure you don't try and press it, so that when you get the disc back in it's quite an easy. The gear lever is the first thing to come undone, and there's a little locating peg there, and there's also a little guide there that you need to undo. The belt as well, make sure there's no cuts, you don't damage it when you take it off. And I hope that helps. Look forward to your likes and comments. Let me know. Any questions, any comments? Thanks.